Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
Flood warning for the following counties: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Enoch County in south central California, San Bernardino County in southern California, west central Clark County in southern Nevada, until 4:45 p.m. PDT. At 1:45 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly across southwestern Clark, northeastern San Bernardino, and far southeastern Enoch counties. Hazard: widespread flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: widespread flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pahrump, Jean, Prim, Spring Mountain, Sandy Valley, Good Springs, Mountain Springs, Mountain Pass, Nixon and Denver Roads, Level Canyon Campground and Mount Potosi.
Okay, that relayed at 1:47 p.m. and the IM bot entry registered at 1:45. So apparently, KLRD took a couple minutes to relay that, which is unusual. So I guess this begins today's stream of flash flood warnings. Got all the weather radios set up and ready to activate in case the flash flood warning happens. I'm gonna be moving this out here. Let's see.
Producing a heat index of 104.
Hopefully that activates. I don't know. I don't feel too confident about this radio activating, but definitely do feel confident about most of these weather radios activating. Not the Maxon though. Also, this Zone Guard is running low on battery and it might run out soon. So I think it's been a while since I transferred this baby right here to battery power. I don't have enough adapters to plug in both Zone Guards and the FR800 together. So that's why I'm keeping the Zone Guard Plus and the FR800 plugged in while the Zone Guard's operating on battery power. So yeah, let's get some more alerts.
Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in southern California until 8:30 p.m. PDT. At 4:55 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This flash flood warning replaces a flood advisory for the area. Hazard: widespread flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: widespread flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Irwin, Baker, Dumont Dunes, Aspen Canyon Campground, and Senior 127 near Dumont Dunes.
That was really clear. I think that might be one of the clearest alerts I ever got on 90.1. On reception, not on grammar or anything else like that. But yeah, that's it.